Bilal.
Yeah. Can you hear me, please?
Loud and clear.
Great. Good evening, everyone. My name is Bilal Lucky Sadiq. I'm contesting the position of organizing secretary. I would be glad to serve in that position if elected into the position, into the power. My focus is simple: just to coordinate the tasks assigned to me by the executive or the president, or with clarity and consistency. Our success as a union depends on the strength of our structure and the unity among us as a community. My door will always be open for the ideas, feedback that will help us as a union to organize a friendly program, which will be leading for all. I'm very much an alumni of the I am a brother of the Sadiq Namikasi. Mijina from the position of organizing secretary. Me here of the Yami Aduma over 2 hours. The American. A Jumatis or the home of the organizing secretary there. In Binudua, let's say, your program be president in Obama organizer and on Yano. Moshana Mayan ye na Mazin into Tuba to her. The mountain over boying as a community, as a Ghanaians. Ozin Kabuma Baba Obiaba as a Obiara or one Biasa over Philly there and Paso Oshi. No, about the case was the Maranchenga Zoa, Nina Bilal Sadiq. Some contest for organizing secretary, position organizing secretary. I can take a bomb most of the time. She in Alawani Sha and in Ghana, Lam organizing in terms of organization. Kowa Samu years old and Muzamu Shigaba Muzasa Komika Hanyaba. So one the last was over Kumadukuma, so Masu Samu. Kowa Samu is Zona Kamayana Gidan, Yena Chikamutan in the Bawai, one Yena Anchire Shidaga, Aji one the Gabaya, Aji one Gababa. Isang kunjin da Manchenga abin da ya sa nake nan ga kenan. Ina roƙon ku nan lokacin kuma ya kai ba in za yi zabe shi ku zabe ni in samu ni man samu in shiga wurin ba. So mu samu mu yi aikin nan duka. In all, I just made it in simple and so in both three languages. So if there is any question that comes, my
All right. Okay. All right. The first question is from Musa Isuman.
Yo. Yeah, thank you very much. Congratulations also. Sadiq. Now, my question is, we share a Ghana Union. A Jumana, especially organizing a Juma Edin Pa. Now, you say, we walk through. Now, how will you be able to blend this like with your program? I said, I organize it as an before time and then how will you cope with that? And most of the time, your programmer na bibia na be gu mo mpanimfo no so won say mo fa ha na mo fa mo pante bia na ma se bia the time no bia the shebe 6 o'clock be wan send ko do 7 8 won say mpanimfo mo amodi anim no ma so na mo bibia anti as organizing secretary no na nyame adom na say able to then I would ba on board as new a year innovative be ma se na be ya time I be year programs na ade no I taught ma enkway African time na na adoso dodo no so mako no so nya attractive the bre ma yenkofo nti then na wo de ba ma say new organizing secretary say be ya sa ne mani na no e be ko yi wo that was it.
Okay. Second question, Uncle, then I'll answer.
Doc, you can please ask your question.
Okay. Yeah, actually, I didn't know you will be coming from Turku to do the work. And as Kofi said, the organizing secretary is about the most difficult part of this the executive thing, because at least from the years that I know, it's been very, very difficult. This organizing the things, you are almost left alone with some little support from here and there to do that. And it may even cost you some financial sort of things. You use your money running up and down. Yeah. So I guess you try to familiarize yourself with the duties of the position and from the past what has happened. So as Kofi said, so how will you bring some viability there so that it doesn't become a position whereby everything is left on you and that sort of thing? It's a very, very difficult position. I've known it for some time. Yeah, we have these organizations like parties and things like that, and people are looking to your activities, to you to organize speakers, this here and there, venues and everything. So, can you probably brief us what you can do differently, or what you'll do to make that position a little bit lighter than what it is at the moment?
Oh, sorry. Okay.
All right. And then the last question will come from Fatih. Yes.
Hello, Malam Bilal. Yeah, quick question, honey. Like, I have bantaba ganin ka cikin musulman mu ba, right? Wani program, Salah program ko wani abu. So, how do you intend kaman ka iya ka bring mutane mu to wanga Ghana Union, because most of us now don't have knowledge about that. How do you intend to kawo our people on board and kabaru to understand kaman there is abinga wani organization hakan ga da zai iya help su ya kawo wani positive impact ko me shi na nema wani taimako ko wani abu. So how do you intend to abinga to bring your people on board?
No.
All right. So just for those who don't understand, how Safatia was asking that there seem to be some people from the Muslim community who do not join the activities. And so what is Sadiq planning to do to get everybody on board? Sadiq, you can answer all the questions.
Can I go on? Oh, do we have? Then I can summarize all. Is it?
Yeah, no, that's all now. Yeah, you can answer all now.
Okay,
yes.
Okay. From the first question, coming from Musa Esuman, yes, I know the job that is very difficult, and most of the time, which actually the first question, the second question is almost the same from our brother. Yes, I know because I've been also been with Musa for a while now, so I kind of experience what he go through during the program. One of the when you check from our constitution, the organizer secretary work very closely with the hospitality secretary. So my idea is that the ideas I'm bringing on board is that I will try to work very closely with her or with him, whoever win that position, so that we can work together as a team. When you check from the previous, the current executive that we have, there was a platform that was created from the both sub-union, which it's only, I think, the representative of the sub-union. So my plan is that if elected into the office, I will try to ramp up that kind of platform to make it much more effective, that we can involve the organizers from those sub-union. Of course, with the help of my executive, if everything, because our mandate as an organizing secretary, my mandate is given to me by the president or the executive. So as the constitution is stimulated in the constitution. So with that, we'll try to reorganize how to have some kind of organizing team that if we have a program so that everyone will be involved, it will not be only just for the executive from the union, but the sub-union, they can also be involved. And when you are looking for position, you always have to have plan B in terms of organizing a program. That what if something happened? What if this? That one, I also one vote into the office, I will discuss that my plans with the executive, which we don't, because I keep saying that executive because the organizer, we don't have much more independent to operate based on from the constitutions. Our powers come from, my power comes from the president or the executive body, which I will lay down as the example I just gave, to try to involve the sub-union organizers or the members that they can delegate from the sub-union, so that we can work together as a team, as a community, as a one people. The second one is about the distance that I live in Turku, because looking at when there's a program, how I will be there earlier, so that most of the time you are the last to leave there, and you are the first to be there. You are the last to leave there as an organizer. Yes, that is true. I've been coming to almost, I will not say all, but almost every program for organized by Ghana Union. I've been there for many times. I learned a lot from there. Already, I also have a little bit experience. I will not say much, because there might be someone who has much more experience on that organizing position from the different union that I joined, or different places I have been as an organizer before. I'm going to add all in together and then bring it on board, so that we can help the union to move forward and make sure that we have a very smooth program or task when there's any program, such program like that. The issue with what my sister raised about that most of the time we have difficulties with the Ummah, because we don't have, how can I bring them on board? I have been, she said something too that I think the moderator did not understood, or did not catch that place. She was asking that if she has not seen me in Muslim community program. Yes, I have been many times, but most of the time I'm also with the men, so maybe that's why she has not seen me in some of the programs that they organize as a Muslim community. I've been there. I already tried to have that plan in mind. Already, I've put my my plans on paper about that one. That I'll have a meeting with them, the executive, both the executive and then the whole Muslim community, when they have a meeting, that we can discuss about that. Most of the time that we have this thing that we feel not involved, which I'll work on that to make sure that we are all, as we are all Ghanaians in the first place, we are all Ghanaians, so we all have to be in the same, no one have to be feel outside. So I'll work on that with both myself and the executive, if elected into power, and then the members of my community, in the Muslim community. Thank you.
Mongode, Sadiq. I think that's it for now. Thank you very much for coming up, especially living in Turku and still having the passion to support the association.
Thank you.
We pray for God to give you the guidance and the wisdom. We're now